This week on Dude Stuff.
We're about to find out will an e-bike tow a car. We've accumulated a bit of an audience behind us. 3, 2, 1, go. What is going on, guys? So today we're going to be asking the question, can an average UK legal e-bike tow a car? Now, I'm going to be honest, I have unlocked this bike just to give it every single bit of help it can get just to move a vehicle off the line, but should be quite an interesting question. I have literally no idea whether it can. Just want to say a massive thanks to all the subscribers. I've hit 20,000 subscribers and growing quick. As a thank you to you guys for supporting the channel, I'm doing a giveaway of this bike. It's just £2 to be in with a really good chance of winning this brand new ENQUIRIES, this actual bike in the video. Just visit the link in the video description. Anyway, back to the video today, guys. Yeah, so anyway, without further ado, let's just not stand around in a windy field. Let's get somewhere with this bike and a car and a tow rope and see what happens. Right then, guys, we're all set up, ready to go. We've got the tow rope between the ENQUIRIES and we've got the assistant today, Nicole, in a Renault Clio.
Papa?
And I have no idea if this is going to work, so without further ado, let's just get straight into it and see what happens. Place your bets, guys, in the comments below. Let us know before it actually happens whether you think this is going to work. This car weighs approximately 1,200 kilograms, which I think is about 1.2 tons. Literally no messing around, we're just going to get straight into it. Let's go. Right, guys, I promised you I was going to try towing a car, and we're about to find out will an e-bike tow a car. We've accumulated a bit of an audience behind us. No pressure, so turn the bike on might help. So I'm setting this straight to level 5. The bike's been unlocked. It's a totally standard UK bike, which isn't totally legal now. I've unlocked it, but hey ho. Are we ready then, guys? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, we're moving slowly. I'll get my feet up on the pedals. Wobbling a bit. We're getting some speed up. Not a very straight line. Yeah. Oh, is it? My stand's down, I'm gonna die. Thank you. We're getting violently whipped side to side. I think we've got a car getting impatient behind us. Going up through the gears now, we're getting up some speed. 10 miles an hour. Oh yes. We're moving now. 16. Yeah. 18 miles an hour. Here we go. Yeah. Haha. 23. I'm towing a Clio. Oh my God, 25, 26. Stop braking. Win, guys. Definitely a win. Can't believe it. We did it, guys. Do you reckon we could pull a van? Right, in all my excitement, that was a really good first attempt. I failed to notice the speed I was in kilometres an hour, so with all of my excitement saying 26, it was 26 kmh, which equates to about 16 miles an hour. That's a still pretty good win, really, for an e-bike, standard UK e-bike, to tow a car at 16 miles an hour that weighs 1.2 tonnes, 1,200 kilos. So why not try my transporter van? Now this is a 2.5 TDI, which weighs about 1.8, 1.9, you know, going up towards 2 tonne. Now that's going to be a massive ask. It was pulling all over the side, left to right, getting off the line, but once we got some momentum, it was all good. Now, this might be a massive ask to get that off the line, but I also want to get to 20 miles an hour, which I think is about 30 to 32 kmh. So that is my goal, a very slightly longer run up, a much heavier vehicle. Do you think, put in the comments now, can I pull a transporter van with a small e-bike? Right guys, attempt number 2 with a 2-tonne transporter van. Now, we've got to have the engine running on this because it's an older van. We need it for the brakes and power steering. So we're not actually cheating, but we don't want to die and crash. So it's running in neutral, and just check no cars are coming. And I don't think this is going to work, but let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, we're moving. Yes, we're moving. Keep going. Yeah. Come on. Yes, we're moving. 6 miles an hour with a 2-tonne van. Wasn't a pretty start. Steve's Do Stuff AA breakdown service. Getting some funny looks. Struggling to get to 10 miles an hour. Yes, we're moving now. Click up a gear. 10 miles an hour. Yeah. 11. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. 15. 15. Yeah. Oh my God, I am absolutely pooped. Oh my God, I'm fucked. Well, there's no way we were getting 20 miles an hour, but I'm going to take that as a massive win for Engway and Do Stuff. Hope you enjoyed that little video, guys. Get on the link, win this bike for £2. Awesome bit of kit, pulls a transporter van. What more do you need it to do? See you in the next one, guys. Take it easy.